Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Okie dokie. Looks like we're going to catch one today. We're here at Moody Town waiting on a southbound man. I'm not sure what he is. He's still that ambiguous length of about 5,000 feet. That's him blowing at the south end of Marion. I can't understand what he's saying, if he's saying 776 or 1776 or 76 or 7 plus 6 is 13, or I don't know what he's saying, but I'm not sure what he is either. And I kind of got scared coming over here, I'll be honest with you. I passed 2 zombies, a werewolf, and a ghost. But it got better because I passed Superman, Spider-Man, and Batman, so I'm hoping they'll take care of things. So I don't know what's going on, but anyway, we're going to catch this southbound man, and I'm going to get on home before it gets dark. This guy decides to get off. There he goes. That dude there walking with a backpack, I didn't think he's going to get off the track. Looks like a coal train. He must have been calling C776 or something like that. Alrighty, I'm glad it stopped raining for the kiddos to do out the trick-or-treating. When I got home just now from finishing filming that train, there's like 45 kids in my driveway. I got out of the Train Tracker 2000. They're all looking at me like I owed them money. But anyway, got them all treated up and hurried on to the next house. And I just want to show you some of the stuff I've been working on. Like I say, it's been kind of dreary and blasé all day, so wasn't able to do any more of the sheetrock because I have to carry it from my garage over to the pawpaw habitat, so didn't want to risk getting it damaged. So I'll show you one of the G-scale cars I'm working on. Alrighty, this is a 40-foot Aristocrat G-scale boxcar, and I've airbrushed this area here. It's going to be some graffiti, some family-friendly graffiti, and it has metal wheels and KD G-scale couplers. If I can remember, I'll show you when I get this one finished. But I do that kind of stuff during the days that I can't get out and about. So I thought I'd share it with you. Okie dokie, short video today, but we'll get back at it tomorrow and see what we can catch. And we'll see you then.